Okay, tell me, what is your doubt in that?
What? Did you say something?
Yeah, tell me what in which question you have doubt.
I was hoping we could discuss the entire thing.
Okay. So the first question, is it visible?
Yes.
Okay. So a motorcyclist moves from A to B in a circular path of radius r, the ratio of the distance and magnitude of displacement. So from A to B, how much is the distance?
A to B. Yeah, we can have the difference between A to B with other formula to find out distance in the arc of the circle.
Okay, so arc of the circle, how much it is? How much will be? The arc of the circle would be 60
It
by
will be
60
pi
by
by 360 into 2 pi r, right?
pi by 360, theta by 360 it will be
Sorry, theta by 360 into 2
2
pi
pi
r.
r. Okay, so that will be the arc. And what will be the displacement? Displacement from A to B.
And you can find it using trigonometry.
That will be the distance. Okay,
No, displacement.
sorry, displacement, sorry. It will be the displacement. So how much it is? How you are going to calculate it?
By using trigonometry. We have the angle and we have one of the distance.
So which trigonometric formula you will use? Do you know cosine rule?
Yeah.
So that
No,
can,
both here, sorry, OA and OB, both are the radius, right?
yeah.
Okay. Yes,
So once two sides and angle between these two sides are given and front side you need to calculate, that time you just use cosine rule.
we can use sine or cosine in this, right? Because we can find out the angle between, we can find out the angle OBA and OAB as well, right? Because
OBA, how you are going to find OBA?
because this will, this is an, because as OB and OA are same, their angles will also be same, right?
Yeah, they are radius. This is an isosceles triangle. So
Yeah,
that these two angles will be same.
same, exactly. And then we
So,
can use sine rule as well.
yeah, you can use sine rule as well. So this will be, how much it will be? It will be 60-60?
No,
Yeah, it will be 60-60 because the remaining part is 120 degree.
okay, and 60-60, yeah.
So that will be 60. That means it is an isosceles triangle, sorry, equilateral triangle. So that will be, AB will be nothing, but that will be radius. Okay.
Yeah.
So that will be R. So the ratio of distance and displacement. So distance is this one. This is distance. Okay. And this is displacement. So the ratio, what will be the ratio?
It will become
R can
it will become pi by 3.
1 by 6, 1 by 6 2 pi r divided by r. R cancelled. So that will be pi by 3. So that will be the ratio of arc and ratio of distance and displacement. So that third part will be okay. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Should we move forward?
Yes.
Okay. This question, is there any doubt in this one?
No.
No. Okay. Third one.
Third one. Let's discuss on the calculation once.
Calculate the maximum acceleration of a moving car so that the body lying on the floor of the car remains stationary. The coefficient of static friction between the body and the floor is, okay, when your, when it will be stationary, if you put something inside the car, when it will be stationary,
Stationary. When the excel.
hmm?
One second.
Just imagine yourself, you are sitting inside a car, when you will feel more comfortable or more stationary.
When the car is not accelerating.
Hmm?
When the car going with a constant acceleration.
Constant acceleration means moving velocity.
Yeah.
Okay, and if your velocity is getting changed, what happens if you are inside the car?
We'll move back if the car is moving forward. We'll move ahead if the car stops.
Yes, so in only one scenario your body will not be moving anywhere if it is moving with constant velocity. Constant velocity means acceleration is 0.
Zero.
Okay,
Yeah.
so that is the glitch in this question. Got my point?
There's no zero. There's no option with zero, sir.
Hmm?
There's no option which has zero in it.
Yeah, he is not asking you calculate the maximum acceleration of a moving car so that a body lying on the floor of the car remains stationary. The coefficient of static friction between the body, is that car moving in a straight line or in a circular path?
They didn't mention that.
They are not mentioning it because this part is your circular motion part, I think, isn't?
The questions are only based on circular motion.
Yeah, but it is not clearly mentioned that whether it is a circular motion or it is moving in a horizontal line.
You know, the topic for the test was only circular motion, so the car is moving in a circle.
Okay, so if car is moving into the in the circular motion, so in circular motion what happens? Your friction of force will be equal to the friction force will be equal to what?
The friction force will be equal to
Centripetal force.
yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, if it's not moving into the circle, then yeah.
If it is moving into circle, if it is a circular motion, then friction will always be equal to centripetal force. Okay. So what is friction? Friction is mu mg.
Yeah.
कौन सी? ले जा. So the centripetal force is what? It is ma.
Yeah.
If a is the acceleration, cancelled. So a is mu g. So mu is given as 0.15. G is 10, so it is 1.5 meter per second square. Okay.
Okay.
Any doubt?
One
So-
second.
Yeah. But actually it should be clearly written that car is moving into a circular motion.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Clear.
Clear? Okay, very good. Any doubt in fourth?
Fourth. No.
Okay. Fifth.
Yes, let's discuss it.
Okay. What is the doubt in this question? Tell me your doubt. Tell me your doubt specifically.
Okay, my doubt for this one is like basically
Because
I tried putting it, but it's not working for some reason.
okay, a car
Is it
traveling.
because why have they given us like the velocity? Like why have they given us the velocity and the acceleration?
As it is, its speed is increasing at the rate of 3 meter per second square.
So we'll take that as the initial velocity, right? 20 meters per second.
A car traveling 20 meter per second on a circular road, you see, its speed is given, okay,
Yeah.
initial speed it is, and the circular road of radius 100 meter, it is increasing its speed at the rate of 3 meter per second square. Okay, that means the acceleration is given. Got it?
Yeah.
So acceleration is increasing by 3 meter per second square. That means it is increasing its speed 3 meters per second, isn't it?
Okay, yes.
So the net acceleration is how much?
The net acceleration will be 3 meters per second.
Yeah, that's very simple.
No, so but the thing is the answer is 5 meters per second.
5 meter per second square. Okay.
Yes, that is my question.
Increasing its speed at the rate of 3 meter per second square, it's net acceleration. What was its initial acceleration?
Initial, it's accelerating at 3 meters per second, and its initial velocity is 20 meters per second.
Okay. Okay, we'll see it. We'll see that question at last. Okay.
Okay.
I'll tell you its explanation. Sixth one.
Yes, okay.
Just mark that fifth one. Okay.
Okay.
Sixth. Any doubt in sixth?
1 second. Yes, sir. Can you explain why the answer is C and D? What's the difference?
If AR and AT represent radial and tangential acceleration, okay. First of all, we'll understand. See, at this particular point, acceleration, let us say the particle is moving into this direction. So that is said to be AT, tangential acceleration, and that will be radial acceleration. Okay. So represents radial and tangential acceleration. The motion of particle will be circular if AR equal to 0, AT equal to 0. Okay. When it will be circular, what is the condition?
The condition to become circular is that, yeah, they're balancing each other out. That's why, like, both of them should. None of them should be 0. That should be the condition.
If they are not, if their acceleration is not 0, sorry, if the acceleration is 0, then what is the meaning of
I think it should not be 0.
Why it should not be 0?
Yeah, one of them is 0. Imagine if AT is 0, then it will just move inwards towards the center of the circle. If AR is 0, then it will just move off in a tangential direction.
Yes.
One of them should be 0 so that they can balance each other.
Yeah. So either they will both be 0,
Yeah.
okay, or they must be equal.
Yes.
So that will be the condition. What is the right answer?
Yeah, the right answer is option number 4.
4, C and D. So AR is not 0 but AT is 0 and AR is not 0, AT is not 0. Yeah, option, just a moment. Okay. Tangential acceleration is responsible for changing the speed for uniform circular motion. The tangential acceleration must be 0. Okay?
Must be 0.
Yeah.
Then why in option number D?
Because in D, your radial acceleration is not 0 because it is necessary to keep the particle moving in a circular path.
So basically option number D, the particle is still moving in a circular direction in like a circle, but it is not going in a constant circular motion.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. So to maintain its circular motion, your tangential acceleration must be 0. Okay.
Yes.
So this acceleration will be 0 because if this is not 0, it will not maintain its circular path. Okay. But in this case, so option C is correct. AR is not equal to 0 but AT is equal to 0. Okay. And in case of option D, what is happening? AR is not equal to 0 but AT is also not equal to 0. Okay. So in this also it can have a circular path but its radius will be changing. Okay. Next question.
Can you go to question number 9?
9, okay. Just a moment.
Sir, you were saying like the tangential acceleration would not come, but like for example in question number 7 as well, like there were like question parts containing tangential acceleration.
Sorry?
You said like tangential acceleration won't come, but like there were parts containing tangential acceleration as well. You can question number 9 only, for example, find out its radial and tangential acceleration at t is equal to 3. You didn't teach tangential, you said that it won't come.
Okay, particle moves in a circle of radius 30 centimeter. Its linear speed is given by v equal to 2t. Okay, where t in second and v in meter per second. Find out its radial and tangential acceleration at t equal to 3 seconds respectively.
Found out its radial one and then I found out its radial acceleration and then found out it.
Yeah.
Take the answer.
Yes. How you did it?
finally moving a circular radius of 30 centimeter. Its linear speed is given by v is equal to 2t, where t is in second, v is equal to find out the speed and tangential acceleration. Yeah, so just use the formulas which we were using for circular motion. I somehow found the answer.
So I'm not getting the correct answer. Okay, actually what is that, acceleration is having two components. Okay,
Yeah.
acceleration is basically having two components. One is radial acceleration, another one is tangential component. Okay,
Radial one is the centripetal, right?
yeah, radial one is the centripetal. Okay,
Yeah.
so basically velocity is given v equal to 2t. So how we can find as acceleration? Acceleration can be found out by a equal to dv by dt.
Yeah.
Okay,
But like, how do you know which acceleration is it? Is it tangential? Is it radial? What is it?
just a moment. But it is given, na? Particle move in a circle of its linear speed. It's a linear speed. If you differentiate it, you will get it 2 every time.
Yeah, get it too.
Okay.
Yeah. But like, how do I find out the radial acceleration?
Radial acceleration.
Because I figured out that one, that tangential acceleration would act straight as a tangent, so that would be linear one. So I assume it would be 2, and 2 wasn't in any of the options, it was only in the tangential.
Radial will be given by which one? Radial acceleration is just of your just because of your centripetal force.
Yeah.
Okay. So how much centripetal force it has?
Okay, so you need to find the centripetal force, and then you'll do F is equal to ma.
Yeah, divided by m, you will get your centripetal acceleration.
Okay.
Okay. So I think third option must be right.
Yes.
Okay. So if it is a MCQ question, then only 2 meter per second square is given in third option. So you need not to find centripetal acceleration as well. Okay. Got it?
Got it.
Okay, very good. This one, 8th.
So it is okay.
Okay, very good. 9th.
Okay, explain 9th.
Two cars of masses m1, m2 are moving in circle of radius r1, r2. Their speeds are such that they make complete circles in the same time. Okay, they are moving in a different circle, isn't it?
Yeah.
So let us take an example. Let us say this is your r1 radius circle. The first car is moving into this circle. The second one is moving into this circle. It is a bigger radius circle. Okay. So if they are moving its one round in the same time, that means it is moving faster.
Yeah.
And it is slower. Okay. Their speeds are such that they make complete circle in the same time. The ratio of their centripetal acceleration. So what is centripetal acceleration? First of all, you will find centripetal force. Okay.
Yeah.
What is centripetal force?
mv square by r.
mv square. Okay. Or you can say that your centripetal acceleration, ratio of centripetal acceleration will be v square. V will be different for both.
Yes.
So v square by r1 divided by v2 square by r2, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay. So V1 square into R2 divided by V2 square into R1. So what will be your V1? What will be V1? Time is given. Let us say the complete revolution it makes in t time. So how much distance it is covering? 2 pi r. So distance upon time, it is velocity.
Yeah.
So V1 will be 2 pi r1 divided by t. V2 will be 2 pi r2 divided by t. Isn't it?
But how do you know that they're only making one revolution?
It is saying here, their speeds are such that they make complete circle in the same time.
No, they're saying they make complete circles. So they could have made they could have made 4 rounds around it.
No. Complete circle means one circle. Complete circle means the complete revolution they are making in time t. So the total distance covered in one revolution is 2 pi r1 divided by time taken. So that will be the velocity. Okay.
Yeah.
So we just put out here v1 by v2 whole square. So what it becomes? v1 by v2 whole square. So it becomes 2 pi r1 divided by t, 2 pi r2 divided by t, its square, t cancelled, 2 pi cancelled. So it becomes r1 by r2 whole square. Okay. So I can write it r1 by r2 whole square into r2 by r1. One r1 and one r2 will be cancelled. So that will be r1 by r2. Isn't it?
Yes.
So that will be its acceleration. So I think third option must be right. Okay. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Okay. Any doubt? Next. Next question.
Question number 13.
13. Okay. Question number 13. Three identical particles are joined together by a thread as shown. All the three particles are moving in a horizontal plane. If the velocity of the outermost particle is v0, then the ratio of tension in the three sections of the string. Okay. Which one? Which one is outermost? Okay. All three particles are moving in if the velocity of the outermost particle is v0. These are three particles. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So this particle is moving with all the three particles are moving in a horizontal plane if the velocity of outermost particle is v0. Outermost particle is having velocity v0, then the ratio of tensions in the three sections of the string. Okay. So which will be having higher tension in this?
Having higher tension. It will be the first, between the origin and the first step.
This if they all are moving, okay, so tension in this string will be cancelling each other.
Yeah.
Okay. And in this one,
it will also cancel it. It will also cancel itself.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Tension will be depending upon what? How you are finding tension? tension will be equal to the applied force.
Yeah.
Okay, how much force they are applying?
We need to find that. They only give us the velocity.
Hmm?
They only give us the velocity. We need to find out that force.
How we were finding tension in the previous examples? See the
Okay. We use the centrifugal force formula mr omega square. Will we use mr omega square?
Why will use mr omega square? They are moving in horizontal. It is not a circular motion. They are moving in a horizontal plane.
Yes.
See, the velocity of the entire system must be same,
Yeah.
isn't it? Ratio of tension in the three sections of the string. Okay, I'll see it and send you the solution. Okay.
Okay.
Next, just mark these questions. Okay.
Yeah.
And send me the number also, which one it is. So I'll send you the solution. Okay. Next.
Next it is 15.
15. These questions are also from tension and table type problem, I think.
Yeah.
Okay. Question number 15.
Yeah.
Okay. What is the doubt in this question? Centripetal force can change speed of the body. Which one is correct?
All of these incorrect.
Is always perpendicular direction of velocity, because it's a radial.
Yeah.
So radial is always perpendicular to the tangent.
Yeah.
Okay. Third one is constant for uniform circular motion. If it is a uniform circular motion, then that means it is moving with constant acceleration.
Yeah.
Okay. So is constant for uniform, same thing is written in 3 and 4.
Yeah, they repeated it by accident.
Okay. So what is its answer?
The answer is option number 2.
2. Yes.
Can you explain? All of these seem correct to me. All of these seem correct to me.
Yeah, they seems, but that is not the actual thing.
Why is like option number 3 and 4 not correct?
Is constant for, because if it is a uniform circular motion. What is uniform circular motion means?
It's moving with a constant velocity.
Constant velocity, and how much acceleration it will be having?
0.
0. If its acceleration is 0, how much is its centripetal force?
Okay, 0. Because it will not move basically.
Yes. Okay.
Understood.
Any other question?
And after it contains some questions.
Which one?
Can you explain question number 19?
19. Yeah. A rider in a barrel of fun find herself stuck with her back to the wall. Which diagram correctly shows the force acting on her? Just a moment. Give me a moment, please.
Okay.
पूछ ले क्या करेंगे. हाँ. Okay. Actually, you need to show free body diagram. Okay.
Yeah.
So as she is stuck with her back to the wall, so that means what?
There's a pseudo force which will be acting towards the wall.
Yeah.
But none of them.
So weight is always downward,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Okay. So I think I figured it out.
So which one will be correct?
Will it be option number 2?
2. Yeah, the force is just.
No, it's okay. The correct answer is showing as option number 1.
1. 1 is the correct answer.
Yeah, exactly. How's that possible? They're showing it as 1, that the force is coming from the outside and getting inside.
As she is stuck, so that means that for direction of force must be towards the wall. Okay. No. Yeah, it is right. It is right because the reaction force, it will be the reaction force. Okay.
It is stuck to the wall. This means there is some force acting on her,
Yeah.
which is coming like this, which is making her stick to the wall.
Yeah. You are right. Okay.
Why is it option number 1? I don't understand.
A rider in a barrel of fun finds herself stuck with her back to the wall. Which diagram correctly shows the force acting on her? Yeah. He is asking you what force acting on her. Okay.
Yeah.
So, wall will be pushing her outside. Isn't so?
Yeah.
So, that will be the force acted on the girl by
What
the.
about the force? What about the pseudo force which will act on the girl?
So, only these are the forces which are acted upon the girl.
What about the force which is making us stick to the wall? Like there's some pseudo force which is coming from the inside towards the outside, acting on the girl. Making us
No.
stick to the wall.
Here we are not here to draw full diagram, but he is asking specifically which diagram correctly shows the force acting on her. Okay, we need to just show force acting on her. So that will be the force acting on her by the wall, this one. Okay, that will be normal force, that will be her weight downward. Okay.
Yeah. But I don't understand. Wouldn't there be another force which will act in the opposite direction to the normal?
Why it will be another force?
Because it should be there. Because there's some force which is. Okay, find yourself stuck with the back to the wall. This means that there's some force which has pushed it to the wall.
Yeah, but what force applied on the girl? We are not talking about what force girl applying on the wall.
Okay.
Only we need to show the forces applied on the girl.
Okay, understood.
Okay. So that option 1 will be the correct answer. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Next question. 20. Okay. Just a moment. minimum angular velocity, so that 1 kg will not fall down. So how we are going to find minimum angular velocity? Omega, you need to find it out.
Yeah, m r omega square, right?
Yeah.
M r omega square, right?
Yes, it is mr omega square. So what is minimum angular velocity? Do you know? Just remember, I told you to find minimum angular velocity. That means your force of friction if it is greater than your, there is a relation between force of friction and centripetal force. Okay.
Yeah.
So on that minimum, there is maximum and minimum velocity in which your body will fall. So what was the relation in between that? Force of friction and centripetal force. Force of friction must always be greater than the centripetal force. Isn't? So minimum it can go if they are equal. The centripetal force and the force of friction.
Okay. Can you explain? Can you solve it?
Yeah. So mu mg will be equal to mr omega square, cancelled. Okay.
Yeah.
So omega square is mu g by r. Just put the values. What is r?
Oh, R is 40 centimeters.
Okay, r is 40 centimeter. What is mu? Mu is 1 by 4. G you will put it 10. R is 40 centimeter means 0.4. Okay.
Sir, but how did I find out that mu mg is equal to mr omega square?
Mu mg is what? It is force of friction.
Yeah, but how is it equal to the centripetal?
Minimum it should be equal.
Okay.
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 Always your force of friction must be greater than the centripetal force, but minimum it should be equal. Got it? Just calculate it.
Uh, 6.25.
6.25.
And now I need to root it, right? So the final answer comes out to be 2.5.
2.5. I think it is not the answer given.
Yeah. Well,
What is it?
no, the answer is 10 rad per second.
10 radian per second. Can you convert the 10 radian into, yeah, that omega will be in, what you're getting, 2.5.
Yeah.
Omega is 2.5. What will be its unit?
It will be, I think it will be rad per second only, sir.
No, 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 no. First, either you first find out V. Okay. But what matters, the same will be there.